I'm Polly Bath, and I travel across the country helping schools to intervene and manage behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Here we go. I have a kiddo in my class that loves attention from anyone, anytime. We've all been there. I turn my back, I hear the shenanigans going on, and guess what? It's him. On days that he is absent, we get so much more done. What can I do to make it stop? Well, first of all, you're not going to make it stop immediately because this is a learned behavior. If everybody reacts to my shenanigans, then it really kind of grows more shenanigans. So you have to kind of balance this two different ways. One is, how much do I react to and how much do I manage? Whenever you ignore a behavior, it means that you're managing it. So give yourself more credit than that. We don't ignore anything, all right? We are educators. We are attending to everything. You manage it. So when you choose not to respond to it, you are managing it. If you over-respond to it or really get all upset about it, that child is now like, ooh, that's working pretty well, getting my attention met. A lot of people don't know how to get the need for attention met. And we know that that's one of the 3 primary functions for behavior is attention. So in that case, can I use disciplinary consequence, whatever it is, to alleviate that? Perhaps. But I also need to fill the need for attention. So therefore, I may find another place in my day where this child gets some specialized attention. Now, the first thing you're going to say to me is like, oh my gosh, Polly, but I got 5 or 6 of them. I totally hear that. But I've got to kind of triage that and figure out how do I get this kid who's giving me the most trouble the attention that he or she needs. So perhaps I look at services within my school or people in my school, and that kid on a Wednesday morning gets to go, shoot hoops or gets to go help with the bulletin board with another staff member or gets a job somewhere in the office, wherever they can handle something where they're supervised, so that they know that they don't have to create these types of shenanigans, if you will, in my classroom to get their needs met. That's my intervention. So, rewind, my management is pick your battles on how you're going to respond. And even though it's happening behind you, if you whip around and look every single time to catch them doing something wrong, they're going to have a lot of fun with that. So manage yourself, manage the situation. Number 2, that need for attention is extremely important. But whatever you do, don't be looking at some kind of plan where the kid needs to earn attention. Because see, kids who don't have any skills to get attention won't do so well trying to earn something they don't have the skills in the first place to get. So unconditionally, get that attention in a place when it's more on your schedule, on your dime, versus them demanding it when they think they need it. And eventually, they'll learn they don't have to create that type of disruption to get attention met. Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.